welcoming you to another week of Bollywood Roundup. Yes, it's that day of the week again when we bring you the top stories from Bollywood and straight from Bollywood. Actually, straight from Mumbai with our Bollywood correspondent Abhishek Datta, who joins me here every week. You have a chance to be a part of this segment, and how do you do that? By emailing Nate@klok1170am.com, or you can Facebook message me at facebook.com/Desi Superdrive. So let's find out what this week's top stories are from our Bollywood correspondent in Mumbai, Abhishek Datta. Abhishek, over to you.
Hey Shrija, it's been pouring cats and dogs and how many other animals you can name out here in Mumbai. It's quite crazy with the rains out here. But with moving on, I have to tell you, something that's been really crazy is the film Kick and its box of collections out here. I mean, the film has done extremely well for itself and people are just loving it. I hope the people out there have seen the film. It's probably one of the best films that Salman Khan has probably starred in. The story isn't that great, but then somehow, if you are a Salman Khan fan, it just works for you. Besides, we also have this very new film called Tamanche coming out. It stars Richard Chadda and Nikhil Trivedi. We've seen Richard doing some mind-blowing roles in the past in Gangs of Wasipur and Goliyon Ki Raasleela Ramleela. But with Tamanche, Richard is showing a different side of her altogether. And Richard made it very clear at the press conference that you're going to see some new things that Richard has done for the very first time. Well, first is that she's dancing like a typical Bollywood dance number in the film. And also, Richard is done a really bold love-making scene, and you can also hear her giving swears, and she used the word "shlo" in terms of describing swears. So that's going to be something really interesting. Go ahead, check out the promos. Also, we have this Ajay Devgan film coming out called Singham Returns, and to do something really innovative, Ajay Devgan and Kareena Kapoor recently went and launched some Singham merchandise. This is probably the first of its kind merchandise that is going to be available in any of the theaters out here in Mumbai. So that's a new move, an interesting one, and hopefully this should also work for Ajay Devgan. Well, the film comes out next week, and we really have our fingers crossed for the film.
Okay, so Salman Khan, news about Salman Khan. Well, actually, I can see why he would steam the limelight. He's such a big star. He doesn't have to really do anything. He just has to stand there, and automatically he will be stealing the limelight. So you can't really blame him for that. And but Abhishek, I hope you were not the journalist who put that question to him.
No, I wasn't. I had to face something really bad when Jai Ho had come out, so
okay.
I didn't want to be beaten black and blue another time.
Okay, so lesson learned. Okay, great. And we're looking forward to Singham Returns. So you mentioned merchandise. So what kind of merchandise? Is it T-shirts? Is it cups, mugs? What?
Well, they've got really cool stuff like, majorly I think they've concentrated on the kids. So they've got Singham tiffin boxes, Singham water bottles, Singham pencil boxes, they've got Singham t-shirts. So this is like a host of things that these guys have got over there. So, that's something really cool. I'm not sure that how many people would want to go and invest in a film merchandise, but if you have to look at it, then it's really cool. And probably it's the very first time that any movie star or any film has gone ahead to take this step, because it's something really innovative, right, Shrija? I mean, you've never heard of films, it's more like what we get in Hollywood, like a Superman pencil box or a Superman water bottle. It's something similar to it.
Okay, and I think that's a smart move, because if you get the kids' attention, the parents, you'll automatically pull in the parents as well. So I think
of course, you automatically do that. That's a brilliant move.
Okay, thank you, Abhishek, for our stories this week, and we will catch you back here next week. Hopefully, you'll get some, a break from the rain if you're looking for one. And I wish there was some way for you to have sent the rain across here to California, because we badly need it. But you have a great day and a great week ahead out there in Mumbai.
Sure, Shrija, you guys too have a rocking weekend out there in California.
Thank you so much. That was Abhishek Datta, our Bollywood correspondent, joining us from Mumbai as he does every week via Skype. Abhishek will be back with us next week when we bring you our next Bollywood Roundup. And don't forget to join us then. To be a part of this segment, send an email to Nate@klok1170am.com, or you can message me on Facebook at facebook.com/Desi Superdrive. Thanks for watching.